You may have thought a minute ago when I said Link was looking good that I was being sarcastic, but I'm sorry to say, or rather, I'm not sorry to say, I wasn't.
Think I want to be more than friends with you. By the time this song is through, you will know my love is true. I don't care if you gain mass or shaped like an hourglass. Little children will harass, flying through the air like first class. To be more than friends with you. By the time this song is through, you will know our love is true. Can you hold me in your arm? I know I can't be harmed. Just play their toys, so let me charm. Though your sudden presence gives me a little alarm. I honestly don't know how this happened. How is this even physically possible? I didn't even touch him. Almighty giant Link in the horizon, please look upon us with mercy. We are unworthy of being in your presence. Oh no. I think we're thinking